So this is my joint of lamb, and no matter what I do, it's not going to fit in my pocket. Look at it, it's simply just too big. Just that big bit there, just... Oh, it's going in. Oh, it's in. Ha. Oh yeah. Unfortunately, that's not what this video is. Look at that sky. I think it's going to be a wet one. Look at that for a view. So my selection of food for this camp is voila, selection of ration meals and desserts. Some of them heat on their own, and my leg of lamb. I am on quite dangerous land actually. Put my milk in the water because I have little streams, quite severely flooded. It's washland, so there's a chance the water could rise. So I've put little pegs out to see. I've put myself really high up. I'm about 2 meters up off the ground there, plus I'm like a good on a little high bit. I'll show you properly tomorrow. So yeah, I'm thinking about digging a little fire pit right here on this bank here, just a little tiny one. It's starting to rain as expected, so it's just like a nice little lightweight camp. And to try some stuff out that I haven't had a chance to do yet. I'm looking forward to trying these. As you see, I bought a complete selection. It's because I like desserts. I like desserts. There's rice pudding there. It's been a while since I've had rice pudding. Sweet hammock setup, as I say, DD1. My big tarp, little seat there. So for my tea, I'm going to have pasta shells in bolognese and rice pudding, because I'm going to cook the lamb tomorrow, because it's going to take a while to salt the oven. So yeah, sweet. So I've dug a nice little fire pit, 2 foot by 1 foot. Kept the dirt there, and then the top squares there. It's like 2 foot away from the water. It's quite good. Maybe 3 foot. Aye, there's water on the back of me too. On there. There. And like 3 runways going off here, hitting here. I think this one's like practically under my hammock. But yeah, it's all good. Get this bad boy lit. This is sort of absolutely awesome. It's just where the flood waters collected a tree branch, and it's just like the water's lowered, and it's just left this entire bunch of tinder ready to go. Awesome. My up-to-date fire kit pretty much goes everywhere now. I haven't used these yet, but I've had like lots of tubs like them. Just handy to have. So get a load of this. Tea and dessert in the same pot. I feel like I'm 16 again. The rice pudding has got the consistency of raw scrambled eggs, but it's actually really nice. It's actually really nice. It just looks like milk in there. There is rice in there, it's just gone at the bottom. Well guys, quite a nice walk. Spot a new little campsite I've got. Can't wait to show you in the morning. It's quite epic where it is. So we'll catch you in the morning. So as you can see, my fire pit from last night is completely gone. My guidelines are kind of underwater. My log is flooding. Everything is flooding. I have like the smallest bit of land left. Fuck. Right, this is the gravity of the situation. Last night the water was down here, that was my fire pit. That is the only way out, and that is fucking really deep. It's running down the side of my hammock now. I can't get across that. Current's too fast, there's nothing to hold onto, and it's so deep. And this is what's at the back of us. I am fucking trapped. It's just getting heavy. It's just getting. I'm going for a joint. Fuck it. So yeah, the water is getting really deep now. It's just coming up so fast. I'm not packed up or out. I'm not rushing. I'm not rushing for it. Fuck it, man. My hammock's high up there. I've got like a good metre of land left. Myself a can's on the float over there. It's just. I fell asleep and didn't watch it. My fire's gone, there's no chance of breakfast. There we are. This is epic. I didn't expect this much water. There was a lot of rain through the night. Look how wide that river is. Right, I'm going to get packed up because it doesn't look like I'm going to be able to stop here. Yeah, I'm packing up fast now because I've heard about water surges that can hit these floodplains. A large amount of rain up in the hills coming down all at once. So it's time to get the fuck out of here. So I'm almost packed up my little tiny slither of land. And just wanted to say this is another reason why I enjoy hammock camping, because it, you know, places like this are completely unaccessible by tent. They are, you know. It's just fucking mental that. Compared to last night on that video, how much, because that's where I piled the about here, so that must have pushed that back a bit. So my fire pit's about there from last night on the bank, because there's the mud there, so about there. Mental. That's a log I was sitting on. It's almost lifting. You can actually rocking. Totally epic. That's all kids and me off that little bit now. I'm just on this, navigating my way through this swampy bit, staying to this high bit. See if I can find a narrow path to get out onto the actual land there. canals everywhere. Yeah, I'm stranded. I'm on the strip of land between the river and where the river's flooded and the actual land. And I can't jump that, and the current's just too fast for me. I know what I can take, and the current's just too fast for us. And so I thought if I go up to the tip of the island, there's normally an easy way off there, but that entire side of the island is gone. It's just not there. I've no trees here to hang my hammock high enough. So I'm going to just have a stop. I'm just going to stop now and get a fire going on what land I've got. I found like 2 peaks that are actually the highest point of the island that aren't flooded yet, so I need to find some trees to anchor some sort of sleeping rig into tonight, like, because that other one I can't use that because that'll be flooded in like an hour. So yeah, I'm going on the rummage to see what I can find. So you can imagine when I came up to the top of the island to look for my easy way off, and seen this, that there was no top of the island. Pretty discouraging. I can't cross through that. No way can I. It's just too strong. And even then, I think there's like a canal here, and then another like one along the bank there, sort of like a channel. And they are like, that's going to take me to my chest. Current that much on my chest, I can't get through that. Just not that strong. So the top of it's flooded, bottom of it's flooded, middle, left and right flooded. So yeah, there's plenty of wood, and I mean, it might go down tomorrow or late tonight if there's no rain. So all I can do is just wait, make the most of it. And since this is washland, I can do whatever the fuck I want. Oh man, that'd be awesome for like a little raised platform fire, you know. That's what I should have done last night. There's just no decent trees like that. They're all too skinny and... Oh well, I'm not going to complain. I'm just going to get a camp put together and see how it goes on this higher part. We'll get a fire going, some breakfast.